Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble a hubcap of your Audi A1 or S1. First step, go to the rim, and as you can see there is an wheel cover, an hubcap, as you can see. Push at one side and push at the opposite side, and then you have to pull it until the hub is going up. Okay, so let's start. Do this in a short moment, and as you can see, it's extracted easily. We removed the hubcap. Now for reassembling, you have to watch where is the valve. The valve in this case is on the left side, and have a look at your hubcap. There will be one ring which is other or different than the others. So let's have a look where it is. There on the left side, there it is. It is an other shape as the others. At this ring, you have to assemble or place the valve of your wheels, as you can see. So now locate this wheel valve and locate the extra shaped part, then push it back in position and smash a little bit. Do this anti-clockwise or clockwise and push back the hubcap in position. Job's done easily, as you can see. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.